Hello Cheryl, this is Priscilla Wicker, and I just want to do a quick demo to talk a little bit more about the tabs and use of tabs. So I've created a text box here and I put a little frame on it so we could see it. I want to get the text away from the edge of the frame, so the first thing I'm going to do is go to Object, Text Frame Options, Command B, Inset a text inset. And I'd measure that. Right now I'm going to say I just want a text inset of 3 points. Say OK. And then when I start typing in, I can see that my type won't go right up against the edge of the frame. Let's go ahead and change that to 6 points so we can see it a little bit better. With preview, we can see that. Now say OK. Now I'm going to type in. And I want to do city. I'm going to show my hidden characters. So I'm going to go to Type and Show Hidden Characters, Option Command I. I'm also going to zoom in so we can see all our hidden characters. So we're in real close. Don't need my swatches open, so close that. So I have city, and then I'm going to hit the Tab key 2 times. And then I'm going to type in state, and hit the Tab key 2 times, and then type in zip, hit the Tab key 1 time, and hit return. And this little symbol right here looks like a hash mark. It's just the end of story. That's the end of everything I've typed. So now let's select this, and I'm going to go to Command-Shift-T to get my tabs ruler in. And the first thing I want to do after the word city is have a line. So I'm going to put a tab over here. I'm going to use a right tab for this. Select the right tab. And I'm going to come down here to about here. And on this tab, I want to have a leader. So I'm going to type in the leader area here, Shift hyphen to get that line. And then I'm going to set another tab close to this tab for the white space. I'm just going to click down here. And this tab right now is a right tab, and it has a leader. I don't want either of those, so I'm going to change this to a left tab. So because this tab is highlighted here, I can click over here and change to a left tab, and I can change the leader amount. Make sure that that leader amount is blank. And so you can see what I have right here is a line that stops at this right tab, and then there's white space. Let's click on this so we can see it. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the side of state. I'm going to start with a left tab. Now this one's selected, so if I click left tab, it'll change that one. So I'll start here by just putting a tab in. And then when that tab is highlighted, I'll hit my left tab, change it to a left tab, add the leader, Shift hyphen, and then I'm going to come down a little bit further and change this tab. So this tab is set as a right tab, but what I want for that is a left tab, and I want no leader, so I have space right there. Then I'm going to have one last tab down here at the end of zip. I'll throw that in here, and I want it to have a leader. I also want it to be a right tab, so change to right tab, and then I'll put a leader amount in there. So there I have it. So I have a line after city, then some white space, then a line after state, and then some white space, and then a line after zip. Now, if I want to change the position of this, I can just move these tabs. And I'll just move this one down. You know, it's not changing this because I don't have it selected. So let's select this and try that again. Move this one down. Bring it all the way to the end. There we go. And then let's move zip down. I have a big white space there, so I'm just going to bring this over. And I'll bring state way down here, and then I'll bring this leader after city down there. So I can adjust how those are. And I could also select a tab position and put in an exact amount. I hope this has been helpful. Please let me know.